Hey there smartphone fans, welcome back for an honest hands-on with the latest tech from China, and today I have the phone on everybody's lips. The Elephone U Pro is finally here. So Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, Infinity display, Android 8.0 Oreo, massive 128GB of storage which is expandable, and 6GB of RAM. And the phone also comes with a very nice package. You get your fast charger inside. You also get USB Type-C cable. So this is the standard USB Type-C cable, not one of those like custom ones which other budget phones from China use. You get a 3.5mm headphone jack to USB Type-C converter, SIM tray pin, and a lovely silicone case for it. So very nice package, but they could have included headphones and an OTG cable for the USB Type-C, for instance. Now, when it comes to this phone's display, I really had concerns because I thought that maybe they would be lying about being AMOLED and stuff like that. No, this is a gorgeous display and top quality build phone. I've only seen this great build quality in Samsung S8 and Samsung S7, so believe the hype here. The build quality and the display are real, and they are totally absolutely amazing. Now, the Elephone U Pro is definitely not one of the cheapest phones from China you've never heard of, but it's nice to see that the display and build quality absolutely justify the price. And of course, the display being AMOLED, this have the ambient display feature which turns on the display for notifications. Now, as far as display quality, what so far I can assess is that it definitely isn't as good as the Samsung S8 Super AMOLED, but we can definitely give the Samsung S7 a run for its money. Very lovely device, and the back is also a highlight of the phone as well. With the glass, it just reflects like in an awesome way, making the phone look like a piece of art rather than a piece of hardware. So very lovely design choice, and the phone is Google certified, running Android 8.0 and the latest February security patch for it. Absolutely no hoax there, real Android Oreo, and this we will get every security patch from now on every month. And of course, the 128GB of storage is also real. The phone with Snapdragon 660 has been renowned for great GPS, and it does not disappoint, locking a fast 3D signal from inside my house without even a SIM card in it. Speaking about SIM cards, the phone has two now SIM, which one of the slots can be used for a micro SD card slot and is located on the top of the phone. This is the global version Qualcomm Snapdragon modem. This have 4G LTE bands that will work in the United States, Canada, Asia, Europe, Africa, anywhere you want it to. And it does also come with all the Google features integrated, like Google Assistant, DOS, and Snooze for all your notifications. So really a top class software act that just needs a little bit polishing. Since I'm just running here the pre-production software for this device, this is not the final software version, but it does also come with a few themes and very nice and neat wallpapers. The phone also comes with the face unlock feature or facial recognition, and it's actually very much better than all the like $250–300 Chinese devices I reviewed recently, but it's still not as good as the Huawei Honor View 10 and the OnePlus 5T. And as I said, this is pre-production software I'm running here on this phone, so I'm expecting a lot of improvements to be done in the coming months with a lot of updates, just like with the original Elephone S8 I reviewed a few months ago. But everything, like all the bells and whistles, are in there, and this is fully functional Android 8.0 Oreo ROM. The NFC inside, however, still doesn't support Android Pay. Maybe this is because of the pre-release software and they just didn't want to risk it with the security, and I think this feature will be definitely added later on. One of the cool features I really liked about this phone is that you can fully use the display and use the swipe up from your right to go back, swipe up from the center to go to home, and swipe from your left to open your recent tasks to navigate the phone. And you don't need to use any on-screen keys, which is terrific for me. I want to use all that glorious display all the time without having any like distractions in the way. But if you still want to use those on-screen keys, Elephone have actually packed a lot of customizations features for those, like you can change the colors and the shape of them as well. So it's pretty rad for those who like want to rock their on-screen keys all the time, but that's just not my thing. As security goes, so far this is a fully certified Google device with the latest security patch. Even like one of the top high-grade phones still don't have that, and it's really cool. And it also does support this Edge feature, just like in the Samsung S7 Edge. The Snapdragon 660 inside, as I said, absolutely real and performance monster of power with the best chips out there, on par with the Snapdragon 821, but still not as good as the Snapdragon 835. But at this price point, I say that's definitely good. And the sound of the speakers quality really did surprise me, because the speakers were actually very, very nice on this thing. The Elephone U Pro's camera sensors are unknown to me, and I couldn't find any information. I couldn't dig up anything in the system software, but the UI is absolutely massively feature packed with like gajillions kind of like features and things you can tinker around with. But after taking a few shots, I can definitely tell that the camera quality right now is definitely not up to par with the price point, maybe around $250, but I have to fully test that in the coming days. So this has been it for my Elephone U Pro unboxing and first impressions video. I look forward to bringing you my full review in the coming week. If you really can't wait that long and you definitely love what you're seeing, there's a link to buy the Elephone U Pro if you want to do so. And as always, be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you like what you're seeing and you want more of it.